So people born with the South Node in Leo are born into circumstances of, you can say, privilege or some form of advantage relative to their community, their society. Okay, so it's like being born into royalty. And Leo is the lion, The lion symbolizes the king of the beasts in folklore. You were seen as high ranking, up high on the social structure. What can go wrong with that? First of all, there's the whole issue of expectations. If you're representing, the royal family, so to speak, there's a whole set of expectations concerning the way you behave, your work, your values, who you should marry. It's kind of like you're going through life doing the things that are expected of you or that are projected onto you, but without really knowing and having the chance to discover who you really are. And at a certain point, there's this feeling of disconnect. When we look to the North Node, Aquarius, that's our clue, because the North Node is always the remedy. It's the way to resolve the unresolved issues of the South Node, the wounds, the whatever did you wrong and constrained you in some way. The constraint in this axis of South Node Leo, North Node Aquarius is that you are not living authentically. Okay, because Aquarius is about the process of individuation. Bottom line, Aquarius is about total freedom. Aquarius is like ahead of their times. It can symbolize the rebel, the genius, even the criminal. And we're talking about the process of discovering who you really are. And that is not easy because there is pride in where you came from. I mean, Leo, is a king, and there's a lot to be proud of. You probably have this charisma about you that people are drawn to, and they might also envy you because of your, high status, even though you didn't do anything wrong and you're not a bad person. But there's a price that you paid for these circumstances. Okay, so the need is to discover what your values are, what you want to do, and really to take the driver's seat in your life. So if you relate to this, leave your comments below, and I will see you next time.